Weather. 1. What's the weather like where you live? The weather where I live is generally mild and temperate. We experience distinct seasons, with warm summers, cool autumns, cold winters, and pleasant springs. 2. Do you prefer cold or hot weather? Personally, I prefer cooler weather. I find it more comfortable and enjoyable, as I can dress in layers to stay warm. However, I also appreciate the beauty of different seasons and the activities they offer. 3. Do you prefer dry or wet weather? I prefer dry weather, as it allows for more outdoor activities and generally provides a sense of comfort. However, I do recognize the importance of rain for the environment and agriculture. 4. Are you in the habit of checking the weather forecast? When? How often? Yes, I check the weather forecast regularly, especially before planning outdoor activities or making travel arrangements. I usually check the weather on my smartphone or computer, and I do it at least once a day, especially in the morning. 5. What do you think are the effects of climate change in recent years? In recent years, the effects of climate change have become more evident and concerning. We are experiencing more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, heat waves, and intense rainfall, leading to floods and droughts in different regions. Rising global temperatures are causing melting glaciers and rising sea levels, posing significant challenges for coastal communities and ecosystems. Climate change also impacts agriculture, wildlife, and can exacerbate social and economic inequalities. 6. Would you like to visit other cities that have a different climate from where you live? Absolutely. Exploring cities with different climates is an exciting prospect. Experiencing new weather patterns, landscapes, and seasonal activities can provide a unique and enriching travel experience. It offers the chance to adapt to different environments and learn about diverse cultures and lifestyles influenced by their climate.